Up guys, this is Nick back in here with another video, and today I got some more forces. Like I told you guys, I had 9 per that I bought, so I'm about to do a new per, I guess. You know what I'm saying? So today I got a theme that I did because I recently rewatched Avengers Infinity War, which is my favorite Marvel movie, and then I watched the Justice League, the Zack Snyder Justice League, the one that's like 4 hours. So I watched both of those, so it gave me an idea to do another Darksied versus Thanos piece. I did a wood piece a while ago that I didn't make a video for, which I should have, but I'll probably show that at the end of here too. But so I did one of those earlier, and then I thought about doing 2 more canvases, one of Thanos and one of Darksied. So I'll probably do that so I can have me a nice little presentation. I'm about to be in a convention in August. So, you know, I'm thinking about just making this for that convention so I can display it. So I'm gonna do 1 shoot Thanos, 1 shoot Darksied, and I'm gonna come up with a little scheme for it. I may do a little markup or something like that and see how it goes. All right, y'all, let's get in. Let's pick out some good references, image, and let's see what we can get into. All right, guys. Now I'm looking for some good reference image that I can use for this piece. Obviously, I want to get the Infinity Gauntlet in there when I do Thanos. So, like, I want to do a pose like this. I think this would be a good one to do. I did this one on the wood piece I did earlier. So, I like this one. I like this one right here a lot. So, I'm going to sift through these and see which one I can come up with. Oh, I like this one too. This is a cool one. But I may go with more of the comic book look instead of the, you know, the realistic look from the Marvel movies. This one's cool too. So this one may be a good one right here. I might do that one. I'm really feeling this one though. Feeling this one, so I think I'm gonna roll with this one. I think this will be a good one to capture. And then let's find a Thanos. I mean, a Darksied, however you spell that. This is a good frontal right here. I may use this one. Matter of fact, let me say that. I may use this one. I'm not gonna overcomplicate it, so I may use that one and then just call it a day, or use something like this. I think this would be a good one too. So, okay, so that'll be my 2 image photos I use, and let's get into the piece. All right, guys, this is the piece that I ended up coming up with as far as to do. I changed my reference photo. I tend to do that. Like, I'll pick one out, and then as soon as I get on there, oh, I like this one. So this is the Thanos piece I came up with because it better fit the shoot that I was doing. So and I picked this one. I did this one because I think I might put this exact one on the canvas too that I'm gonna end up doing. So I like those. I like the way that's gonna turn out. So we're gonna see how this gonna go. I did this so I can make a presentation at the convention I'll be in Chicago in August, from August 10th through the 12th. I want to say 10th through 13th, something like that. It's like a 4-day convention, maybe 10th through 12th. But it's like a 4-day convention, like Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. I ain't never been in one 4 days, but it sounds like it's gonna be fun, so we'll see. So I'm gonna display these together, see how that goes, see what type of art I can sell and stuff like this. So, you know, see if I can get some more YouTube subscribers, Instagram followers, blah blah blah. You know the go. That's pretty much is the goal of going to conventions. Of course, you want to make some money, but like you want to develop some loyal fans who buy something on a regular Wednesday. So that's the goal for that. So I want to display these really well and see what I can come up with. My goal for next year is I want to get into DreamCon. I didn't get into it this year. I guess I don't know why, but you know, I'm gonna keep trying because I want to go. Like, every time I see it, I get jealous, but I want to get in there. So hopefully they'll see the way I present this, and maybe I can get into it next year. So but my inspiration for this again is, like I told you, I watched the movie. I've seen majority of the Marvel movies. The Phase 5 stuff has been trash. So everything after Thanos I haven't wanted to watch because it's literally been trash. So you know, going forward, I was just like, you know, forget it. I'm not even interested in anything because it doesn't seem like it's building toward anything. At least beforehand, when Thanos was the big bad, you knew that everything was building toward Thanos. So now that that's gone, now that the big fight is gone, you're like, okay, well, what are we doing? Like, what was Moon Knight for? What is Punisher for? What is Hawkeye for? Like, where we going? Like, I mean, I know they're saying it's going to be Kang the Conqueror, but it doesn't seem connected the same way the first few films did. So we got to see how that's going to go. So I mean, as of right now, like with Marvel, it's kind of in limbo for me. So I wanted to kind of capitalize on what I liked the most during when I watched it, when I was really into it as far as the Thanos saga. So I like the way this piece turned out. I'm really interested to see the type of reception I get for it and see how many people like it, and then we'll go from there. The Darksied shoe was really difficult because that silver was incredibly difficult to do. I didn't know how it was gonna lay down on the shoe because I've never used a silver paint like that. So, but it turned out okay, in my opinion. But the Thanos shoe was the difficult. So the materials I used for the silver paint was new. Well, I don't know if it's new, but